This next hilarious obituary is from an Ontario woman, Sybil Hicks, and was written by her children from her first person's perspective. Sybil Mary Hicks. It hurts me to admit it, but I, Mrs. Ron Hicks from Batesville, has passed away. I passed peacefully with my eldest daughter Brenda by my side February 2nd, 2019 at 8:20 a.m. I leave behind me my loving husband, Ron Hicks, whom I often affectionately refer to as Horse Ass. I also left behind my children whom I tolerate over the years, Bob with Carol, my oldest son, and also my favorite, Brian with Jeanette, who was the Oreo cookie favorite, Brenda aka Hazel, who would run to clean the bathroom when she hears company was coming, Barbara with Gordon, the ever Miss Perfect, and finally baby Bruce, who wouldn't eat homemade turkey soup because he didn't want to be alert looking for bones while he ate. I will miss seeing my sweetest grandchildren, Caitlin, Megan, Joe, Isaac, Mason, Rachel, Annie, Emma, Harrison, Clark, Chloe, Orion, Griffin, grow up to be the incredible people they are meant to be. I graduated from Waterdown High School with honors while wearing my shiny bright saddle shoes. I later graduated from Hamilton General Hospital School Nursing class of 1957. Best class ever. In 1972, Ron and I loaded a car with the 5 Bs and headed north to run a school bus company for over 20 years in Batesville, Ontario. I was an active horticulturalist, a member of the Eastern Star, and a member of the Lions Club in Batesville. I finally have the smoking hot body I always wanted, having been cremated. Please come say goodbye and celebrate my wonderful life with my husband and his special friend Dorothy, who is now lovingly taking care of my horse ass. For those of you who are wondering who assists me in writing this, it wasn't my husband. It wasn't my oldest, nor was it my youngest. Thank you all for sharing my life with me.